Hello friends, in this video we are again going to study one new screencasting software which is called as UTipCam, by which you can record your screen and make your own video out of it. So again the first step is installation of this software. The name of the software is UTipCam. You have to type these credentials in Google search engine. Now the first link you will get, that is TipCam download. I am clicking on this TipCam download. Now you have to click on free download. I am already having this TipCam in my system. But for beginners, if you want to download it for your system, you have to click on this free download for Windows. Then one setup file will be there. You have to run that file, and finally your desktop or a laptop will be having this eye symbol for UTipCam. It is a very simple software. Now we will see how to use this software for casting or for recording your screen. So I am opening this software. This is a simple small window for this TipCam. Initially it will appear like this. It is having these much tabs that you can explore. That is record, further settings. For your purpose, this record button is important. If you want to record any type of PowerPoint presentation, or if you want to demonstrate your students about one particular subject or an instrument, so you open that thing on your screen and you can click on record button. So from that point your recording will be carried out. So I am just clicking on this record button. It will countdown will start 3, 2, 1. Now you have to start your recording. So what you want to do for practice, I am just opening a new window. There I am typing about, just for practice I am doing this. So whatever task you carried out on your screen, that complete task will be recorded by this TipCam. Likewise, the things which I am carrying out here is automatically gets recorded over this TipCam video. This is one of the ways. Now if you want to open some file, you can open it. You explain it to your students. Your recording is going on. If this is your one of the files from which you want to explain to your students, you can explain it. Then if I am having this presentation with me, and if I want to explain the students about this presentation, or if I want to record presentation, then like Screencast-O-Matic software, this UTipCam works or TipCam works. So this is our presentation. Make it slideshow. Now this, you say some words about your respective slides, and your audio gets recorded by and you can minimize it just dragging to the bottom, so that it will not make any disturbance with your actual screen of the presentation. Once you have finished with your recording, just what you want to do is just stop the recording and click on this save button. Now again you have to give the path where you want to save. I am saving it in a desktop and by the name demo TipCam video. Click on save. So that file has been saved on desktop, and again recorder is ready for new recording. We will see how that recording is there. See, this is your demo TipCam video. So friends, in this way you can record your screen, you can record your PowerPoint presentation, you can make audio as well as video presentations there. So this is another way and a very simplified way you can record your screen or record your videos. So that is UTipCam. You can explore it by yourself and do one small video about your screencasting and just simply do practice it and submit your assignments. Thank you.